Cross Helmet X1. The Cross Helmet X1 was designed to be the answer to the problem of user distraction during rides, providing 360-degree visibility noise cancellation as well as smartphone connectivity to drivers in one smooth and easily operable package. It helps eliminate blind spots with the use of advanced HUD technology, and it has been shown to project images and video onto the HUD through the use of its built-in wide-angle rear-view camera. Driving with the Cross Helmet at X1 feels like you've got a technologically advanced and super-efficient rear-view mirror, and this functionality helps you observe events happening behind and around you with minimum head movements. It also helps you increase or reduce the loudness of environmental sounds with the use of the convenient cross-sound equalizer on the Cross Helmet, which comes in very handy. When you're in an environment with high ambient noise, you can connect your Cross Helmet X1 to your smartphone using Bluetooth and make use of its voice command ability to play Control Siri or OK Google, and even make phone calls. Jarvis XAR. Jarvis XAR. The Jarvis XAR is the final word in vehicular safety, specially designed to provide the best safety-enhancing features, including Jarvis distraction-free voice activation and optical waveguide technology. The XAR is the device of choice for riders who prefer visual instructions. If you're concerned about lighting conditions, then relax. The XAR projections are totally visible even in glaring light, and the HUD can be controlled through the use of voice command. Among the options available to the user include the ability to display directions, provide information about weather conditions, as well as speed hazard road signs and incoming caller IDs. You can also record events occurring during the ride with the help of a 2K built-in front camera, as well as a 2K rear-facing camera which can be activated on demand by voice command. These provide total visibility during drives and enhance driver safety to the highest possible standards. If you're so inclined, you can broadcast this recorded video to your social media page by using a very convenient voice command. You can also establish a connection to services such as Amazon Alexa, Apple Siri, or OK Google through voice activation, as well as control cameras. Make calls and play without any extra distractions. BMW Head-Up Display Helmet. BMW Head-Up Display Helmet. The BMW Head-Up Display Helmet was designed by BMW's motorcycle building division to represent the future of headgear in the motorcycle industry. It features a unique heads-up display which projects relevant information about the bike and its surroundings onto a transparent panel in your field of vision. This has been demonstrated to improve rider safety by keeping your eyes on the road. You can configure your BMW head-up display helmet to display whatever information you choose with the use of a controller located on the handlebars, and you can choose between a wide range of options including vehicle speed, gear speed limits, traffic warnings, as well as tire pressure and engine oil level. It is powered by 2 replaceable batteries which grant the heads-up display a 5-hour-long battery life, and it can be neatly integrated into most new helmets without compromising comfort or safety. BMW Motorrad hopes to launch the helmet soon, but the exact date has not yet been confirmed. Senna Momentum Pro. Have you ever been making your way past a particularly scenic route and wish you could capture that moment? The scene of Momentum Pro helmet answers that question with its integrated Quad HD action camera, which enables quick access to record with the use of a single camera button. The Quad HD camera grants up to 135-degree field of view and the capacity to record for up to 2 hours at a stretch. Aside from the video recording options, the Senna Momentum Pro comes equipped with an innovative advanced noise control technology with which you can listen to chat with up to 7 other riders at a distance of up to 1.6 kilometers through the intercom, or listening to the built-in FM radio and get step-by-step GPS directions. The Senna Momentum Pro is also DOT-approved with aerodynamic design and short through the use of composite fiberglass shell with multi-density EPS. It also has a unique ventilation system with chin and forehead air intake and exhaust port tucked in the back of the helmet. Argon Transform. What the Argon Transform does is integrate various functions into one seamless, easy-to-use interface. It combines hang or heads-up display rear camera and quick and easy access to GPS with a unique design to help keep your eyes on the road and limit distractions. The Argon Transform comes with added protection in the form of an ear 180-degree rear camera, which keeps you aware of your environment. You can receive calls with just the touch of a button and follow GPS navigation without being overly distracted. The device itself is extremely durable and can stand up to a variety of extreme environmental conditions, including dust, heat, and cold. It provides real-time information through a high-definition translucent display with the option of brightness control and wireless connection control with buttons on the handlebar. The Argon Transform is easy to install and extremely convenient to use, providing one-touch access to image capture, starts top and front dash cam recording, in addition to seamless intercom communication channel for riders up to distances of 100 acres of Heart Fly Smart Helmet. The Fly Smart Helmet is an innovative new system designed to give motorcycle riders the best technology advanced entertainment system with little or no distractions. It does this with the use of an intuitive and non-invasive design which combines dash cam navigation, call, and walkie-talkie functions in a simple and easy-to-use package. It has its patented HD dash cam embedded near the chin to provide unparalleled shot stability, as well as 120-degree rider viewpoint footage. Proper ventilation is ensured through the use of two vents in the front of the helmet, one above the forehead and one beside the chin for upper and lower ventilation. It also allows users to sync their smartphone audio to their helmet over Bluetooth and make calls with the use of a dedicated button. Live Map Helmet. Live Map Helmet Map is a prototype motorcycle helmet that uses augmented reality for navigation, providing details such as street names, speed, and turn-by-turn directions straight to your field of vision. It makes you so unique. They are technology to provide a stunning projected color transparent image, a massive improvement over more traditional display styles. This image provides information about the roof with little or no distraction to the rider and can be toggled to provide more information whenever convenient. It uses an automatic adjustment of output to provide top-notch image quality even in the forest of weather conditions, and it can be connected to your iPhone or Android smartphone to let you access services such as Siri or Google them. iCar's helmet. See our motorcycle helmet. It is a well-known fact that motorcycle riders have a 210-degree blind spot around them which predisposes to accidents, while the ICR works around this problem with the use of two integrated display lenses that provide real-time video streamed from the two rearview cameras. On the back of the helmet, it greatly improves the field of vision, providing close to a full 360 degrees experience. The HUD has been demonstrated to be able to display functions from connected devices, as well as monitor movements through the use of a sensor that gives off an LED and sound-based warning when approaching vehicles. Get within 240 feet of the helmet. This audio is heard through a set of internal speakers that also provides warning for approaching traffic, low battery life, and other helmet-related alerts. One of the ICAR's most fun features is its ability to be combined with a number of devices and the internet, giving you the opportunity to download updates, as well as communicate with other ICR helmets through Bluetooth. You also get access to information about navigation, weather reports, media libraries, and other entertainment functions, and if your battery runs low, you can simply charge it through a power port located at the back of the helmet or with the use of a solar panel. You